Oh, 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 hi friends. How's it going? Coach Chelsea here from the cave. I am in my bedroom and I think I'm gonna do some stretching for gymnastics today. I have my friend Jeremy, Rosie, and Penelope here. Oh, she's being a little tired today, but we're gonna warm her right up as we go through our stretches. I want you to get ready for gymnastics too. Why don't you grab maybe your mom or your dad or even your cat, maybe a stuffy, maybe your brother or your sister, and we're gonna get started. Okay, first thing that we're gonna do is start in our butterfly. So our feet are together and our knees are wide, and we're gonna give one of our knees a big hug. But what you don't wanna do is let your bum lift up off the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then to the other side. Don't fall over. Keep your bum on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna go into a pike. So when you pike, your knees are straight, and we're gonna make our back nice and flat. So let's put our hands on our knees, sit up super tall, and then we're gonna slide our hands down. Make sure you point your toes. Slide your hands down to your toes. We're gonna tuck our head in and then count to 10, okay? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, we're gonna go into a tuck. So when we go into a tuck, we pull our knees into our belly and we give ourselves a big hug. And then we're gonna bring our arms up overhead, and you have to really use your belly muscles to keep yourself up. So we're gonna hold that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're gonna try some rock and rolls. So you're gonna get into your tuck, and then you're gonna roll back, and then back to your feet. Back, and back to your feet. Try not to use your hands, keep them forward. Now we're going to use Jeremy for our straddle. So when we straddle, we want our legs wide, and our back is flat, just like Jeremy. Let's see, make sure you have plenty of space for your straddle. So what you don't want is this, or this, or this, anything silly. You want your legs straight and strong. The knees are gonna come in or out. Which one do you think looks better? In, just look like a good gymnastics position? Probably not. Out, that's better. So our knees are out and our toes are pointed so that we're in a very straight leg, and then our arms can come out straight and strong. Let's hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we'll try to bring them up overhead. It's a little harder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're gonna twist our bodies to face our left knee, this side, and then we're gonna just give that knee a big hug, but keep this leg straight. Don't let that knee bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now everybody's favorite, the pancake stretch. We're gonna reach down. We're gonna try to get our chest to the ground, but don't round your back. Keep your back really flat. So you're gonna come down, don't bend your knees. Some of us are gonna be able to go all the way down, some of us are not. That's okay, everybody's in a different spot. So we're gonna reach down. Once you get to about as far as you can go, then you can tuck your head in, and then we'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we can't forget about this leg. So now we're going to rotate our torso, and then we'll lay our bellies down and still point your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Very cool. I like to play this game where we make a cake. so some of you guys can play at home. Usually I ask my friends that are in my class for suggestions about what ingredients they want in their cake, but since I have stuffed animals today, I'm going to put them in the middle, and then I'm going to ask for their suggestion. So, Rosie, what do you want to put on your cake? I want to put chocolate chips. Ooh, chocolate chips. Okay, so we're going to lean forward and put chocolate chips on our big giant cake. The cake is as big as your legs. Jeremy, what do you want to put on it?
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears? Okay, that's a funny. Jeremy has a funny voice. Okay, gummy bears on the cake. Isabella, what do you want to put on the cake? I want to put on strawberries. Strawberries, yum. Okay, reach forward. Strawberries. We'll go through one more time. Rosie, what do you want to put on now? I want to put all of the balloons. Balloons? You can't eat balloons, Rosie. Ah, okay. Well, then I'll put on strawberry muffins. Okay, strawberry muffins. We'll put that on the cake. Jeremy, what do you want to put on the cake? I want to put on mint leaves. Okay, Jeremy, let's put on mint leaves onto our cake. Isabella, what do you want to put on the cake for the very last ingredient? Icing. Duh. Okay, icing. Cool. Okay, so we have made our cake with all of the ingredients. We are going to put it in the oven, so we're going to turn our hands upside down and slide it into the oven. Okay, arms out. We're going to count to 10. We're going to go side to side, but keep your bum cheeks on the ground. Don't lift your booty up off the ground. For 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding! It's finished. Pull it out of the oven, put it on your belly. I think today I'm going to put Jeremy on my belly instead because that'll be funny. Okay, you can grab your favorite stuffy if you want. Put it on your belly. Oh, and we're going to do a tabletop. So lift just like we did in the warm-up, and then we're going to pretend to eat our cake. Yum, 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 yum. Yum. I think we should try something a little bit trickier with our rock and rolls. So what we're going to try to do is, as we rock and roll, we're going to try to land on our feet with our arms forward. So this is a good challenge. You know what would be really funny is ask your parents to do this with you, because it's really hard for big people. So see if they can do it with you. It'll be a very funny challenge. Okay, now we're going to go into a downward facing dog. And then we're going to work on needle kicks. Let me see you do it. Oh. Can you straighten that leg just a little bit more? I saw you. Okay. In order to prepare for our handstands, we're going to do tiny little baby handstand kicks. What we're practicing though is our elbows straight, not bending. Most of us are going to have one foot that we really like to stick up in the air, and that's great. But it's also probably a good thing to try the other leg. So I like to stick this leg up in the air, but I'm going to try to stick this leg up in the air to practice stretching that leg and keeping the knee straight. Good job, friends. I think we are all warmed up, and now we're stretched, and we're ready to start our handstands, which is happening next. We're also going to work on our balancing, being on a balance beam. So stay tuned.